Hi. Well, I'm very happy to be here. With event held by Hermoso and by Aishwarya. It's a lifestyle, stalls here. You have right from skincare to gardening, plants and everything, and also you have fashion, jewelry, and clothes and everything. So I'm really excited to be here, and most importantly I think it's for the upcoming entrepreneurs. So it's really nice to be part of an event which encourages upcoming entrepreneurs. So I wish them all the very best, and
Thank you so much, Rupa ma'am, for being here today. I'm really happy that you're here today and keep supporting us. And thank you so much for being a part of my event.
Hi, so I wish Hermisu and Aishwarya all the best. It's a beautiful exhibition, second edition of hers. I just walked through and it looks lovely. The stalls are amazing. If you see the linen collection, the saris which were here, yummy baking stuff, and Soral Gardens over here. And of course, Varnam Studio. So don't miss it. It's amazing. Congratulations, Aishwarya. I think so much of effort goes in an event. Really worthy to come and visit here. My name is Meena and I head sales for PVR. Please do come and visit Hermisu's second edition event. Thank you.
Meena ma'am, because it means a lot to me that you have come here today, and you will be my special guest for rest of my events for sure. So you will always be my chief guest. You will always be my special guest, and thank you so much for supporting me throughout. And it means a lot to me. Thank you.
Anytime. Thank you.
Thank you.
In a very unique way. இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா food, fashion and lifestyle. Lot of small business owners and lot of women entrepreneurs எல்லாருக்குமே ஒரு opportunity கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, and they have people coming from Bangalore and all, like lot of them out of Chennai. So it's a very nice opportunity for all these entrepreneurs to showcase their talent in a big way to all the audience out there. அதுக்கு Hermosa.
Hi everyone. I'm very happy to be the part of Hermoso event show here. This is my daughter Aishwarya and my daughter Nisha. Aishwarya, I'm very proud that she's doing this event. இங்கே வந்து ஆக்சுவலி பட்டிங் ஆண்டர்ப்ரனர்ஸ், லேடி ஆண்டர்ப்ரனர்ஸ் அண்ட் பட்டிங் பீப்புள், அதாவது பிஸ்னஸில் ரொம்ப நல்லா வரணுன்றவங்களுக்கு வந்து Aishwarya is giving an opportunity to build up their career, and I'm very proud to be the part of the show. All the very best for Hermoso Events. Thank you.
Hi everyone. So Hermoso Events, we are giving, this is my sister, she's doing this event, and this is for young entrepreneurs and budding business, and we are very proud to be a part of it. We are Anlon Art Salon, and that's all. Thank you.
you.